Hello there, my dear garden dreamers. If you're anything like me, you look at your tiny patio or that forgotten corner of your yard and think, how can I possibly create something beautiful here? Well, my friend, I'm about to show you that small spaces aren't limitations. They're invitations to get creative. I'm here at Golden Seniors Living, where we believe that every inch of space holds infinite possibility. Today, we're transforming ordinary containers into extraordinary garden sanctuaries with 25 ingenious DIY hacks that'll make your neighbors wonder if you hired a professional landscaper. And trust me, tip number 17 will have you looking at old rain boots in a completely different way. Welcome to Golden Seniors Living, where we turn everyday objects into garden gold, one brilliant idea at a time. If you're ready to fall in love with container gardening, gently tap that subscribe button. We've got more space-saving magic blooming just around the corner. Let's get started. 1. The drainage miracle trick. Got a beautiful pot with no drainage holes? Don't drill. Fill the bottom with wine corks. Those leftover corks create perfect drainage while keeping your soil from getting waterlogged. Simply layer them about an inch deep, then add a thin layer of pebbles, and top with your potting soil. It's like giving your plants their own little life preservers, and suddenly that gorgeous ceramic pot becomes plant perfect. The corks absorb excess water while still allowing proper drainage. No more root rot worries. 2. The teacup herb garden. That chipped teacup collection gathering dust. Each one becomes a tiny herb haven. Plant chives, thyme, or small basil in these delicate vessels. The shallow depth is perfect for herbs that don't need deep roots. Line them along a windowsill, arrange them on a vintage tray, or hang them from shepherd's hooks using macrame holders. Now your morning tea ritual includes fresh herbs just an arm's reach away. Poetry in porcelain. The delicate flowers will bloom right there with your breakfast, and pinching herbs for cooking becomes a daily joy. 3. The colander strawberry tower. Transform an old colander into a cascading strawberry paradise. The holes become perfect planting pockets, just the right size for strawberry crowns. Line the colander with coconut fiber to hold soil, then tuck strawberry plants through each hole. Hang it from a sturdy hook or shepherd's staff, and watch strawberries tumble down like nature's own chandelier. The metal heats gently in the sun, encouraging growth, while excess water drains perfectly. No bending, no weeding, just sweet rewards at eye level, and the birds can't reach them either. 4. The ladder planter stairway. An old wooden ladder becomes a vertical garden wonder. Rest it against a wall or fence, secure it for safety, and place pots on each rung. Start with sun-loving succulents on top, herbs in the middle, and shade-tolerant ferns below. The natural step formation creates perfect microclimates. It's architecture that grows. Add small hooks to hang trailing plants like pothos, or string of hearts, and suddenly you've created a living stairway to heaven that transforms any bare wall into a garden masterpiece. 5. The wheelbarrow mobile garden. That rusty wheelbarrow isn't broken, it's brilliant. The rust adds character, and the deep basin holds plenty of soil for seasonal displays. In spring, fill it with bright pansies and tulips. Summer brings cascading petunias and herbs. Fall transforms it into a pumpkin and mum display. The best part? Wheel your garden wherever the sun shines best, or move it closer to the kitchen door when you're cooking. It's like having a portable piece of paradise that follows the light and your needs. 6. The shoe organizer vertical herb wall. A clear plastic shoe organizer becomes an herb wall masterpiece. The pockets are perfectly sized for herb root systems. Hang it on a fence, wall or balcony railing, where it gets morning sun. Fill each pocket with quality potting mix and plant parsley, cilantro, basil and chives. The clear pockets let you monitor root health and watering needs. Now you have a living recipe rack right outside your kitchen door. Fresh herbs for every meal, organized and accessible, without bending or kneeling. 7. The repurposed drawer planter. Old furniture drawers make stunning shallow planters perfect for the lazy gardener. Their natural depth is ideal for lettuce, herbs, and succulents that don't need deep roots. Drill drainage holes every few inches, add a plastic liner to protect the wood, and fill with quality potting mix. Stack them at different heights using concrete blocks or bricks for a terraced garden effect. That's pure artistry. The drawer pulls make them easy to move for cleaning or seasonal rearranging. 8. The concrete block herb spiral concrete blocks aren't just for building, they're for growing. Stack them in a spiral pattern, creating different levels and microclimates. The blocks retain heat, extending your growing season. Fill the centers with rich potting soil, and plant Mediterranean herbs like rosemary, oregano, and thyme that love the warm, well-draining conditions. The spiral design lets you plant different herbs at different heights based on their sun and water needs. It's modern sculpture that feeds your soul and your kitchen, requiring minimal maintenance once established. 9. The hanging gutter garden. Old gutters become hanging herb highways that make harvesting effortless. Mount them along a fence or wall at waist height. No more bending over to tend your plants. The long, shallow design is perfect for lettuce, spinach, herbs, and trailing strawberries. Drill drainage holes every foot, add end caps, and fill with lightweight potting mix. The linear design creates stunning visual impact while maximizing growing space. It's like bringing the countryside to your courtyard, with everything perfectly positioned for easy care. 10. The tire planter paradise. Transform old tires into stunning planters that practically grow themselves. Paint them in cheerful colors to brighten your space. Soft pastels for herbs, bold colors for flowers. Stack them for deep-rooted plants, like tomatoes, or lay them flat for sprawling plants like potatoes. The rubber absorbs heat during the day and releases it at night, creating perfect growing conditions. They're virtually indestructible, require no maintenance, and turn recycled waste into garden gold. 11. The bird bath succulent garden. A cracked bird bath finds new life as a succulent sanctuary. The shallow basin and excellent drainage make it perfect for succulents that hate wet feet. Fill it with cactus soil and create a living mandala of colorful succulents, hens and chicks, jade plants, and echeveria, in stunning geometric patterns. The raised height puts this garden art at perfect viewing level, and succulents need almost no care once established. It's meditation in plant form, sitting pretty, and requiring just occasional watering. 12. The hanging basket herb chandelier. Multiple hanging baskets at different heights create an outdoor herb chandelier that's both beautiful and functional. Use baskets of varying sizes and hang them at staggered heights from a pergola, tree branch, or ceiling hook. Plant trailing herbs like oregano, thyme, and trailing rosemary, and let them cascade down in fragrant waterfalls. The different levels create visual interest, while maximizing your growing space vertically. Cooking becomes an aromatic adventure when you can simply reach up and snip fresh herbs. Loving these space-saving secrets so far. We're just getting warmed up. Wait until you see how we turn ordinary rain boots into garden magic, and discover the container trick that makes watering completely effortless. 13. The window box revival. Even without windows, window boxes work magic anywhere you mount them. Attach them to fence posts, deck railings, garden walls, or even create a freestanding frame. Fill with cascading flowers, like bacopa and lobelia, or create an herb garden at perfect picking height. The long, narrow shape is ideal for creating beautiful borders and edges. Line several along a pathway or patio edge, and suddenly every view becomes a picture-perfect scene, worthy of a European countryside. 14. The repurposed sink garden. Old kitchen or bathroom sinks make extraordinary planters with built-in advantages. The existing drain provides perfect drainage, and the deep basin accommodates larger plants like dwarf fruit trees or substantial herb plants. Porcelain sinks are perfect for herbs and flowers, while deeper utility sinks can handle small shrubs or substantial perennials. Position it at the perfect height for tending without strain. It's like giving your garden its own little bathtub of beauty, complete with all the plumbing conveniences. 15. The plastic bottle vertical tower. Large plastic bottles become a vertical growing tower that maximizes space brilliantly. Cut 3-inch holes every 6 inches in a spiral pattern up the bottle. Fill with potting mix, and plant herbs or strawberries in each hole. Stack multiple bottles, or create a single tall tower. The enclosed system retains moisture beautifully, reducing watering needs. It's recycling that reaches for the sky, while providing fresh herbs and berries in the smallest footprint possible. 16. The wooden crate. Rustic charm. Vintage wooden crates stack beautifully for tiered planting that oozes old-world charm. Line them with landscape fabric to retain soil while allowing drainage. Each crate becomes its own microenvironment. Use the top crate for sun lovers, middle for partial shade plants, and bottom for shade-tolerant varieties. The weathered wood adds instant character, and the different levels create visual interest while making plant care easier. It's like having your own farmer's market display right in your garden. 17. The Rain Boot Herb Garden. Those old rain boots become whimsically charming herb planters that bring smiles to every garden visitor. Drill drainage holes in the soles, add a layer of gravel, then quality potting soil. Plant herbs like parsley, chives, or small basil plants. Hang them from hooks on a fence, or arrange them along a pathway, like tiny garden sentries. The rubber material is weather resistant and adds playful color. Kids especially love this idea. It's cottage garden charm with a sense of humor. 18. The Repurposed Toolbox Portable Garden. An old toolbox transforms into the ultimate portable herb garden for the practical gardener. The built-in compartments naturally separate different plants, oregano in one section, basil in another, chives in the third. The handle makes it effortless to move toward morning sun, then to afternoon shade as needed. Line each compartment with plastic, add drainage holes, and plant away. It's like having a garden that goes where you go, perfect for apartment dwellers, or anyone who loves flexibility. 19. The Ice Cream Bucket Tower. Large ice cream buckets stack into a space-saving growing tower that's both fun and functional. Drill 2-inch holes around each bucket for planting pockets, and larger holes in the bottom for drainage. Stack them with soil between each layer, planting herbs or strawberries in the holes. The white plastic reflects heat, keeping roots cool, while the tower design provides dozens of planting spots in just a few square feet. It's vertical gardening that's sweet on space and easier on the back. 20. The Muffin Tin Seed Starting Station. Old muffin tins become perfect seed starting stations for the organized gardener. Each cup holds just the right amount of soil for germinating seeds. No waste, no guesswork. Label each cup with waterproof markers to track varieties. Once seedlings are ready, they pop out easily for transplanting. Use different sized tins for different seeds. Mini muffin tins for small seeds, like lettuce. Regular tins for beans and squash. It's like giving your seeds their own little nursery apartments, with perfect portion control. 21. The Repurposed Wagon Wonder. A child's old wagon becomes a mobile flower garden that brings joy wherever it goes. The deep sides hold plenty of soil for substantial plantings, while the sturdy wheels make moving easy. Create seasonal displays, spring bulbs, summer annuals, fall mums and pumpkins. Add a liner for direct planting, or fill with pretty pots for easy seasonal changes. Pull your garden to the sunniest spot in the morning, then back to shade during hot afternoons. It's gardening without the permanent commitment. 22. The Hanging Bottle Herb Spiral. Plastic bottles, hung at different heights, create a mesmerizing spiral herb garden that's both beautiful and space efficient. Cut planting windows, add drainage holes, and fill with herbs. Hang them in a spiral pattern from a tree branch or pergola, creating a living sculpture that moves gently in the breeze. The different heights accommodate different plant needs. Sun lovers up high, shade-tolerant herbs below. It's like nature's own DNA helix, spinning fresh herbs into your daily cooking routine. 23. The Repurposed Dresser Drawer Planter. Old dresser drawers become charming shallow planters, perfect for the low-maintenance gardener. Their natural depth is ideal for lettuce, herbs, and succulents that don't need deep roots. The flat bottom sits stable on any surface, while the decorative fronts add vintage charm. Drill drainage holes, add a plastic liner, and fill with appropriate soil. Stack them at different angles for a terraced garden effect that's pure architectural beauty. Functional art that feeds both soul and body. 24. The Concrete Mixing Tub Pond Garden. A concrete mixing tub becomes a peaceful water garden paradise that brings tranquility to any space. These large sturdy tubs are perfect for aquatic plants like water lilies, lotus, and water hyacinth. Add a small solar fountain for gentle water movement and soothing sounds. Stock with a few goldfish if desired, or keep it simple with just plants. The large size creates a substantial focal point, while the easy setup requires no digging or permanent installation. It's serenity you can create in an afternoon. 25. The repurposed mailbox herb garden. An old mailbox on a post becomes a delightfully unexpected herb planter that's sure to be a conversation starter. Mount it at the perfect height for easy access, then fill with your favorite cooking herbs. The front door opens to reveal your growing treasure, and the enclosed space creates a perfect micro-environment for herbs. Paint it in cheerful colors, or leave it weathered for rustic charm. It's like sending yourself daily deliveries of fresh flavor. Garden mail that always brings good news to your kitchen table. From teacups to tire planters, we've transformed the ordinary into the extraordinary. Container gardening in our golden years isn't just about making do with less space. It's about discovering that creativity has no boundaries. Every repurposed object becomes a testament to our ingenuity. Every small garden, a celebration of life's endless possibility. Your small space isn't a limitation, dear friend. It's a canvas waiting for your personal masterpiece. Because in the end, the most beautiful gardens aren't measured in acres, but in the joy they bring to our hearts. If just one of these ideas sparked your imagination, give us a gentle thumbs up. Drop a comment below and tell us which container hack made you think, I can definitely do that. And don't forget to subscribe to Golden Seniors Living, where your creativity keeps blooming, one brilliant idea at a time. Until next time, keep growing your dreams, no matter how small your space.